I'm normally sitting in front of that house over there, which is my house, but today I'm sitting in front of Clyde's house. So Clyde's my neighbor, and I have lived next to him for about 21 years now. It's crazy even to think of it. But Clyde just turned 90, and recently he begged me to do his landscaping. And it's kind of funny that, you know, I lived next to him for 21 years. I think I probably mowed his grass or cut the grass here at the house, I don't know, maybe for 15 of the, maybe 20 of those years. And finally, we landscaped his house. So Clyde had this super old magnolia that was here, and had been butchered by the energy for the power lines. I shouldn't say butchered. It was cut so the power lines could go through it, and it just looked horrible. It was dying for years. And so we removed that, and then we planted these holly trees that'll hopefully give them a little bit of height, work pretty well. They can be maintained within the height of the power lines and kind of grow within the space. One of the other things that Clyde did was he loved how the mondo grass looked between the street and sidewalk. He was tired of the grass there. It's kind of funny because his son was like, "Oh, Chad cuts the grass, don't worry about it." But it looks really nice and clean. And then on this side of the yard, you can see that he filled it with dwarf mondo grass. Thousands of them, to the point where we kept saying, there's no way. And what was kind of funny about Clyde is Clyde is an engineer. By trade, he owned a construction company for years, and you can see he had us plant those little suckers like little soldiers, one after the other. And he sat out here in his little lawn chair and supervised us. So it's with my great appreciation for my neighbor that Clyde, at the age of 90, we're going to go ahead and give him Garden of the Month.